Dear viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this chapter, there will be an explanation of the house elements and 4 planetary pairs, as follows. Every house has its own element. The elements are used in combination with the meanings of the planets. The planetary power of a planet also depends on the element. For example, a fire element planet in a water element house is considered very weak in terms of planetary power. On the other hand, when a fire element planet is in an air element house, its planetary power is extremely strong, etc. Fire element represents hastiness and zealousness. Water element represents gentleness and adaptability. Air element represents quickness. Earth element represents staunchness. The houses that represent movable elements are as follows. Aries represents movable fire element. Cancer represents movable water element. Libra represents movable air element. Capricorn represents movable earth element. Aries represents movable fire element. Leo represents fixed fire element. Sagittarius represents mutable fire element. Cancer represents movable water element. Scorpio represents fixed water element. Pisces represents mutable water element. Libra represents movable air element. Aquarius represents fixed air element. Gemini represents mutable air element. Capricorn represents movable earth element. Taurus represents fixed earth element. Virgo represents mutable earth element. Planetary elements. The Sun, 1, Saturn, 7, belongs to fire element. Mars, 3, Rahu, 8, belongs to air element. Mercury, 4, Venus, 6, belongs to water element. The Moon, 2, Jupiter, 5, belongs to earth element. Ketu, 9, belongs to soul element, while Uranus, 0, belongs to vacuum element, not belonging to the 4 primary elements. When planets of the same element are related to each other, they will get along very well since they originate from the same element. Planets that have different elements may enhance, disrupt, or be neutral to each other. 4 planetary pairs. 1. Friendly pairs. The Sun, 1, is the friendly pair with Jupiter, 5. The Moon, 2, is the friendly pair with Mercury, 4. Venus, 6, is the friendly pair with Mars, 3. Rahu, 8, is the friendly pair with Saturn, 7. Friendly pairs will enhance each other in every way when they are conjoined or related to each other. Even when the inauspicious Saturn, 7, is related to Rahu, 8, it will give a very beneficial impact. The same thing happens when other friendly pairs are related, but they give less beneficial impact in comparison. 2. Elementary pairs. The Sun, 1, Saturn, 7, belongs to fire element. Mars, 3, Rahu, 8, belongs to air element. Mercury, 4, Venus, 6, belongs to water element. The Moon, 2, Jupiter, 5, belongs to earth element. 3. Kindred pairs. The Sun, 1, is the kindred pair with Venus, 6. The Moon, 2, is the kindred pair with Rahu, 8. Mars, 3, is the kindred pair with Jupiter, 5. Mercury, 4, is the kindred pair with Saturn, 7. They can be memorized in pairs. There are 4 pairs as follows: 1, 6, 28, 35, 47. When a kindred pair is conjoined or related to its own pair, they will support each other, kindred, in a similar way to a friendly pair. For enmity pairs, the Sun, 1, is the enmity pair with Mars, 3. Mercury, 4, is the enmity pair with Rahu, 8. Venus, 6, is the enmity pair with Saturn, 7. The Moon, 2, is the enmity pair with Jupiter, 5. *** enmity pairs will disrupt each other. They will both be weakened and in conflict with each other. Notice that the Moon, 2, and Jupiter, 5, Earth elementary pair, but also hostile to each other. Therefore, they are minor elementary pair and minor enmity pair at the same time. They are considered neither truly friendly nor truly hostile to each other. They are in fact the least enmity pair without a second thought. However, when they are conjoined, they will have a moderate beneficial influence in terms of humbleness. Other planet pairs. These pairs are observed from old textbooks only. There are some reliable sources, but they will not be used in predicting. It is not recommended to remember these pairs since each planet's meaning is already complete in itself. These are just exampling only. Academic pair. It is the Sun, 1, and Mercury, 4. Royal scholar pair. It is Mercury, 4, and Jupiter, 5. Please stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.